I recently made over $1,000 online by simply listening to music, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online 2022. And in this video I am going to show you how you can do this even with a brand new account using your laptop or your smartphone. The first step you have to do is to go to this website called mixkit.co. This is a website which we will be using for listening to music and to make money online from it. In just a moment I will show you how you can listen to music tracks just like these ones right here and how you can start making money online. As you can see here, I have earned over $1,000 in my account on this site. And you can earn $50, $90, and even more than $140 per day just like them if you follow each and every step shown in this video. You can see there are literally pages upon pages of payment proofs from people all over the world that are using this method to make money online simply listening to music. For listening to one song you can earn about $10, listening to 10 songs you will be paid about $100, and listening to 100 songs will earn you up to $1,000 just like these in my account on this secret site. So make sure you have your laptop or smartphone ready. This method is absolutely free, which means no investment needed, and even if you are a beginner, you can still make money with this. And I will show you a bonus trick at the end of this video to help you make more money than others, so keep watching. Now on Mixkit, you can scroll down here and you can see all these music tracks that we are going to be using to make money on this website. All these audio clips are for free and we can use them with no attribution or even without signing up on their website. There are literally hundreds and thousands of songs on this website. Now when you will hover your mouse over genre right here, it will show you the different music genres that are available on this website. We can make money with any of these, but I want to show you something even more special. So go ahead and open either the acoustic genre or the hip-hop genre category. And you will find this collection of free acoustic tracks that you can download for absolutely free. Also on this page you can find hundreds of free downloadable hip-hop tracks. Okay, so let us go on to this song right here and click the play button here to start listening to it. You do not have to listen to the whole song because there are thousands of songs we have to listen. Now I want you to find the download button, which is just below the play button. Click on the download button so that you can download the song onto your computer. After the download is finished, in order to make the most money with this method, do the same thing with all these other tracks available right here and download them also to your computer. And in a moment I am going to show you how we are going to be making money with all these downloaded music tracks. For the second step, I want you to go to this website. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but this is a website that is going to pay you money to upload your music files on this website. We are going to be uploading all those music tracks that we just downloaded from mixkit.co, and every single time someone downloads our music file from this website, we are going to make money. This is a very simple technique that you can use to make easy money online. All you will be doing is to simply go back to mixkit.co, download any track from any of these categories, and upload the track onto this website. But now you might be thinking, well, who will download our music files and how to make money online with these music files? Do not worry, at the end of this video, you will get to know exactly how to make money online with this, so keep watching. Now as you can see, they have pay-per-download system, which means that whenever someone will download your music files, you will earn money, and your earnings will depend on from where you received most of your downloads from. For example, downloads from the United States, Canada, Australia, and United Kingdom are in Tier 1, and it will earn you $6 per 1,000 downloads. And for downloads from all other countries, you will earn $2. And I will show you exactly how you will get hundreds of thousands of downloads every single month, and I will also show you my earning proof, so stay tuned. The good thing about this website is that they have over 20 different payment options that you can choose from. They have a Bitcoin, PayPal, Visa and MasterCard, Payoneer, Western Union, Amazon gift cards, and several others. Also their minimum payout is just as low as $1, which means you can withdraw your earnings from the site as soon as you make your first $1. Let me show you a real live example of how you are going to make money on this website right now. But before we move further, like this video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. So the third step for making money online, I want you to go to the secret website and click the sign up button. Then just create your username, type in your email, your password, and you can leave these two boxes of payment method as blank for now. Then just check on this "I am not a robot" box and click on submit. Once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. Now I need you to click on upload files on the top of this page, and on the next page, click on this folder icon on the bottom of the page. Then upload the songs one by one that we just downloaded from mixkit.co. Click Start Upload button right here, and depending on your internet speed, it will upload the files. Now as you can see here, it will provide you with the downloadable link for that music file, which we just uploaded onto this website. Now whenever someone will click on this link, it will take them to this page, where they will be shown two options of premium download and free download. And this website will also show them some advertisements on this page, and these advertisements will help the website to make money, and they will share their advertisement revenue with us for uploading and sharing those music file links. Now most of the people will click on free download and the music file will be downloaded to their laptop or mobile device. And every time they will download the music file, we will make money. Now the name of this website is file-upload.com. And this website has already paid more than $700,000 to its users, and I will show you my earning proof from this website in the end. But for the fourth step, I want you come over to YouTube and search for sound effects for YouTube. And you will find that there are many videos having over millions of views per video, like this one over 1 million views, over 5 million views, and close to 10 million views. Now if you open any of these videos you will find that they have just shared the different sound effects in these videos, and you can easily find these sound effects on mixkit.co. Like if you want this cricket sound effect, you just have to simply go over to mixkit.co, and here on this page, from the drop-down menu you want to select sound effects. Then just type in crickets and hit enter. It will show you not one, but many different cricket sound effects, and you can choose any of these sound effects you like or which is more similar to the sound effect in that YouTube video. Now getting over 1 million views on this topic is pretty easy because as of 2022, there are more than 51 million YouTube channels out there. 51 million channels. And all of these channels need different sound effects for making their videos more entertaining and more engaging. And creating these sound effect video takes less than 15 minutes per video. Now imagine getting only 100,000 views on one video. Out of those 100,000 people, 40% of them will end up downloading your files because at some point, all YouTubers need these sound effects for their videos. And if you upload only one video per day for a month, you can be making over $1,000 just for listening to these music sound effects. All you have to do is come over to YouTube and note down the different sound effects shown in the video, then go to mixkit.co and search for them in the sound effects segment, download them, and after that just upload those files to file-upload.com. Then create the sound effect videos for your YouTube channel and place the link of all different sound effects in the description of your YouTube video. You can use Cliteo.com for creating your videos online. It's very simple and easy. You can find many tutorial videos on YouTube about how to create videos with Cliteo. Repeat this as much as possible and start to make money online. Now to show you my earnings on file-upload.com, let me sign into the site. And as you can see here, that this is a CashPro account, and I have earned over $1,000 till now on this website using the same methods and bonuses I shared with you in this video. So like the video and subscribe to channel with bell notifications on, and if you want to make more money, then click on the video showing on the screen right now.